Today I will show you how to install an application using homebrew from terminal. Android SDK, in this example I will show you how to download Android SDK using homebrew. Normally Android SDK will be downloaded along with Android Studio IDE, which Google uh, product. Uh, but it will provide command lines to only SDK as well. So we don't need to download IDE, Android Studio. So there are many uses using Android SDK. So I'm not going to give the training in this example. Here I will show you only how to download applications using Homebrew. So in this example I am showing how to download Android SDK. Some applications we can download using Homebrew directly, but some applications we have to use Cask. It is an extension. That is what I'm thinking, but no idea about anything about Cask. But for downloading Android SDK, we have to use Cask. There is one simple command: brew Cask install Android SDK. It will download the Android SDK from Google website. If you see Google distribution list, it will has all the repositories. From this repository, SDK repository is there. It is downloading from the internet. What it Brew does, first it will search it in local directory. It's like the same like Maven. Once it's downloaded, it will search in the local directories. If it couldn't found any, then it will go to the internet and fetch the file, and it will store in a local folder. Now we can see the SDK tools Darwin create some number.zip file, which is held at Google repositories, which is downloading now. That means it will go and put it in our local machine. Once it's put it the zip folder in a local directory, it will unzip and place it in a right place, like user local bin directories. It will sim links to that location. Then if we want to use Android tools, we need to set the environment variables. They are giving some suggestions here, what environment variables we need to export to. So here we are trying to export SDK root, where the Android SDK package will be. So actually this operation will take a little bit longer time depending on our internet connections. So we should be a little bit patient. This is the hint also they are giving. Let's say 82%. I think internet speed is not that bad in UK, so it is downloading faster. Normally when we are downloading Android SDK, it will take a little bit longer, but it is downloading a little bit faster here, so should be happy. Once it downloads, like I said, it will unzip the files and links to the right locations. Actually internet speed is not that great today. It's because it's not that big file either. I don't think it will be 2 GB, 3 GB file. Okay, now like I said, it's now installing. Checksum is Git repositories checkout code. It has checking that and installing Cask Android SDK. There are some warnings as well, which we don't need to worry about them. We should worry about only errors. I'm creating these videos for my future reference. Normally, when we download, we don't remember anything where it is downloaded and how it is downloaded, how it is doing. So, what I'm doing is I'm creating some video logs so I can revise these videos, go back whenever I need, and so I know how I downloaded these files and where they are downloaded, how I'm setting up the paths. So if you want to see my other videos, you can see them as well. They will be useful. It is taking a little bit long. Good, that means this GIF folder is a little bit big. Meanwhile, somehow it's taking a little bit longer than as usual. So probably the file is very big. But once it started linking, it will be like much quicker. Okay, linking done. So we have installed Android Sdk successfully. So where once the brew install the applications, all the files will be stored in the user local bin folder. So if we go back there, first so we can see all the files are here. So if I run Android version, I can see Android command is deprecated. So, so at least we know Android, it is working now. Cool. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like it, and if you want to see more my upcoming videos, please subscribe. Thank you guys.